Hey guys, here in Philadelphia on a very special project, working with Dr. Paul Goodman, AKA Dr. Nacho himself, on a practice project tomorrow. Tonight we've got a little meet and greet with some students, some members of his community here in downtown Philly. You can see it's a beautiful day. Basically, he's got like the biggest Facebook group in dentistry. His group is really focused on like being nice to each other, and I mean, he's like super extroverted, charismatic guy, a ton of fun. So looks like it's this building right here.
Hey Dental Nachos crew, it is Paul Dr. Nacho here with a special celebrity guest, Josh Wascata of Studio 88. He is the only person who has as cool as sneakers as my own brother.
It's a really awkward stretch angle.
Nice. Yeah.
I hit the mic.
You know, I got our first website out of a box back in 2005.
Yeah.
Practice didn't have one. My dad and his partner were awesome. It was our first website. We've gone through different, evolutions. We're excited to do this with you guys, but what is a story-based website?
There was a fact that came out from Stanford's Michelle Kleinman Institute for Gender Studies that said stories are remembered 22 times more than facts or statistics.
Yeah.
If I came on and said, I can 13x your SEO, like here's a tip, people would lose their mind.
Yeah.
I mean, I could probably do a conference around that, like 13x your SEO. And over the last 2 decades of being around marketing, I can tell you like the biggest return on investment I've seen from marketing is really around this story-based concept.
I love that. Well, we're going to do a very on-brand thing and go have nachos and margaritas, but so glad to have you here on your awesome team. So this is not my joke, but it's a good one about nachos. Like eating nachos with your friends and family is all good until that last chip gets there and you're like, you're not getting it, Aunt Betty. And it's pretty true, right? Because it's like, who's gonna grab that last good chip out there, right?
Awesome. It's a cool place, man, for sure.
It's super cool.
You guys are gonna love these guys. Seriously, I mean, super good guys. Yeah, it's gonna be a ton of fun. So let's do it.
We're going to start with photos first. So the first thing we're going to do is like an epic team photo. All right, let's go. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, and oh, I love you too. You're right behind somebody. Just scoot over the ball a little bit. Just put your head, and then right here you go out. Yeah, bam.
What we strive to do at our dental office is to make something that people don't traditionally think of as fun as possible. Maximize fun, make it friendly, deliver amazing dental care in a supportive environment, share with them how we work as a team with our dental team, with the other dentists that work here, make it feel like you're hanging out with friends at the dental office.
I think we make it more fun with having a really positive team, from the front desk to the hygienist to the assistants, and I think the patients really feed off that positivity.
Hey guys, before we take off from Philly, we have to answer the age-old debate, and that of course is Pat's versus Geno's. Who's got the best cheesesteak? Let's go. Make a large cheesesteak.
Whiz and onions?
Yes.
Thank you.
Just one cheesesteak with whiz and onions.
Sure, whiz.
Thank you.
Alright, and this is it. Got Geno's and Pat's. Initial thoughts?
It's solid.
It's good.
It's good.
Oh yeah? That was easy for you, just like right off.
I don't know what it is though. I think it's the cheese, man.